Hello, welcome to the Gold Weekly Report. In this report, we're going to review the recent movement in the market, and we will look into the recent signals of the indicators that we use in automated trading, as well as most of trading algorithm. I just want to remind you that this report is not a financial advice or the usual technical analysis. This report, I try to put it from the perspective of the trading algorithm and based on automated strategies, since 80% of the market is moving by automated trading. And I want to illustrate from this report that the common technical analysis is not working the way it used to be. So you can use my report with the help of technical analysis as well as understanding the fundamentals of the market in terms of news and financial reports, so you can complete the picture of what's going on in the market, and you will have better understanding and more informed decision. And if you are benefiting from this report, please do not forget to follow the channel, subscribe, activate the bell, and to encourage me to put more report, please do not forget to like, share, and comment in case if you have any questions or any highlight. Now let's start. As we have seen, the gold start a down momentum. Let me just clear this one for you. The gold started a new down trend, and if you see, based on the recent movement, we have sort of head and shoulder formation. Furthermore, the bullish momentum of the gold start diminishing. As you see, this trend line has been broken. Let me just make it clear for you. So we had this trend line. It was running for quite some time, and now we see break of the trend line, a consolidation, then breaking out of this consolidation to the support area here. Now, after this support, gold tried to re-enter the consolidation zone and go to the upper side of the channel. Now, as you see, the gold at the beginning, there was an attempt to change the super trend, and now the super trend changed to sell. And for the 1 hour time frame, 2 hour time frame, it's on sale. 3 hour time frame is also on sale, and now the 4 hour time frame hold, and we could see a second attempt for the market to change the super trend, the 4 hour time frame. And this is very important. I just want to clarify this. When the big institutions want to change momentum, they know that in order for them to change the market direction, they have to start changing specific indicators, so they will slow the momentum of the trading algorithm and change its directional trading. We are seeing at the moment some engulfing candles and change of the super trend, and most of the candles of the 4 hour are closing below the 5 EMA, and we saw a crossover of the 5 EMA and the 20 EMA. This is another signal of change of trend, or at least an attempt to change the trend. The most important here to highlight that we enter a squeeze period, and this squeeze of the Bollinger Band is gonna be a hurdle for the price to go down or go up. So we will see some kind of a consolidation or an attempt to open the upper side of the Bollinger Band. Now, if the price touch the 20 EMA or the 5 EMA and continue to fall, we might see a change of the trend. Now, in case if the support which we see here between 3,000 and 2,988 hold, then we will see a second attempt for the price to go up and try this area here, which is 3,056, and the second area, which is 3,080. In case of the support, this support break, we will see the second support of the price will be around 2,947. As you see, this level was a resistance. Now it could become support, and in case if this break, we might see a continuation. The second support will be 2,875. The support below that will be 2,800, as well as the old trend line of gold price. Now, I don't think this massive drop we will see it in 1 week. It might take more than that. It could take 2 weeks movement. However, today the gold entering very, very critical zone, and its potential to go down, since the momentum slow, its potential to go down and find support or give another opportunity for the buyers to buy gold is more. So we might see this happening in the coming days. Now, one more point. If we go to the daily time frame, as you see here, the daily time frame, it has been many candles going in uptrend, and none of these candles get the support of the 5 EMA. And now we have the first candle here get the support of the 5 EMA. So we could see a movement to the upper side, since we have space for the price to go to the upper side, and the Bollinger Band expanded. So we might see this movement to the upper side, and then most of the buy position will be closed, and we will see the momentum start changing, and we start seeing a stronger momentum to downside. Now, in the weekly time frame, as you see, the last candle got the support from the 5 EMA. This candle did not have support from the 5 EMA, so we see most of the candle is weak, as you see here. We could see the next candle similar to this candle here, an up movement, and then mostly will be down candle similar to the candle here. So we might see a little attempt to higher level. So we might see the price going to higher level, to this level here, as I mentioned, 3,085, and then we might see the price going down. So this is going to be our next candle. Now, the support, as I mentioned, this is the first support is going to be here, and we can see the second support. We might see the candle after that try to go to the trend line and the 20 EMA of the weekly time frame. In case if the price get the support from this trend line or the 20 EMA of the weekly time frame, then we might see some consolidation and a continuation of the trend. In case if the price break this trend line, we might see a further move and a sharper drop of the gold to 2,700, 2,600. But this is not gonna be this week. It's probably gonna be longer than this period, because there is a correction that the market waiting for, and this correction, it has to cover a lot of area. As you see, all this area is open, and we might see the price entering and consolidating in these areas. At the moment, I don't advise anybody to buy gold unless if you are trading in very short time frame. You have to be very careful, because the signals are coming from the indicators signaling reversal of the gold price, and this could lead to massive pullback. Now, for the short time trader, they can keep an eye on the price when it is trending and when it is holding its place above the 5 EMA of the 15-minute as well as 1 hour, and the price has to be above the 20 EMA as well as the 5 EMA above the 20 EMA of the 1 hour time frame. In case if this happening and you see some more of bullish momentum, then at that time you can hold to see a higher levels of this channel here, as I mentioned previously. This is all for this chart. Let's go to the other chart. Starting with this chart, in the daily time frame, as we see the price getting supported from this level, so we might see an attempt to higher level of this channel, and we could see then later on close of all buy positions. Now, in case of the price start falling and break this support which we talk about, then we will see the first support will be the 20 EMA of the daily time frame, and then the mid channel line, which is around 2,950, and the next support will be 2,884, and as I mentioned, the bottom of the channel, which are going to be around 2,800. In the MACD indicator, as we see that the price start losing momentum, the MACD line flatten, and we receive the first alert of losing momentum, and later on we might see a cross of the MACD line and the signal line, and this will increase the momentum of the gold falling to lower levels. Stochastic still outside of the channel. This stochastic I use, it has unique setup. I'll be putting a special playlist for beginners, all the indicators I'm using, and this playlist will help these beginners to understand, and everyone is watching to understand exactly what setup I use in my daily trade as well as in my algorithm. At the moment it's out of its channel, and we might see an attempt to re-entering the channel. The momentum indicator, as I mentioned, is still bullish, and we might see dark bars start appearing in the coming days. But this time, if the price go down, we might see deeper levels. It all depends where the price gonna take the support and how fast it will reach the mid and the bottom of the channel. As we have seen in the past, the price touched the upper side of the channel, got the support, then a higher edge of the channel, and then we see a massive move of the price, then got the support from mid channel. After that, continue its down momentum. So I'm expecting to see similar move here. I'll be posting a daily report very soon, and you can follow this daily report. Just make sure to follow the channel and activate the bell so you'll not miss these reports. Of course, this market, things could change, okay, but this, as per my expectation and as per the indicators that I use and most of the algorithm trading use. And I hope you benefit from it. In case of you benefit, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wish you a good weekend and profitable week ahead. Thank you for watching.